Are you struggling with stubborn fat that no diet or exercise seems to remove? Introducing Mitolyn, a revolutionary supplement designed to unlock your metabolic power in your body. Harvard scientists have discovered that low mitochondrial levels are the common factor in overweight individuals. Mitochondria are tiny engines in our cells that burn fat and fuel our bodies. More mitochondria mean more fat burning. Mitolyn is a unique blend of 6 exotic nutrients and plants designed to support healthy mitochondria levels, helping you burn more calories and feel great. Each Mitolyn capsule contains maki berry, packed with anthocyanin, supports mitochondria and heart health. Rhodiola, rich in polyphenols, reduces stress and improves mood. Hematococcus, contains astaxanthin, supports joints and immune response. Amla, rich in antioxidants, supports digestion and vision. Theobroma cacao, contains epicatechin, supports blood pressure and is a natural aphrodisiac. Schisandra, full of antioxidants, supports liver health and skin elasticity. These ingredients work synergistically to boost your metabolism and overall well-being. Thousands have transformed their lives with Mitolyn. Like Peggy, who lost 35 pounds and regained her confidence. Russell, who shed 29 pounds and feels lighter and more energetic. Order 6 bottles or 3 bottles now and receive 2 free bonuses. 1-day Kickstart Detox, 20 detox tea recipes to kickstart your Mitolyn journey. Renew You, methods to relieve stress, boost confidence, and reduce anxiety. We're confident in Mitolyn's effectiveness. That's why we offer a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. Don't wait. Unlock your metabolic power with Mitolyn today. Click the link below to order now and start your transformation.